Sir, ikaw na. Dahil nag-U-load ka, ikaw ang masabi natin sa U-load or U-load challenge.
Ikaw lang na thank you.
Sir, meron tayong ibang challenges. Sa bawat challenge, may kakaliban itong load na premyo. So, handa ka na ba?
Sige.
Pili ka.
Grabe ito, hindi ko alam ito. Ito.
Who is the president prior to President Pinoy? A. Erap Estrada. B. Gloria Arroyo. C. Manuel Quezon. Sir, 30 seconds para sa video ito. Timer starts now.
Gloria.
Very sure?
Yeah.
Final, sir?
Final.
It's correct.
Okay.
Sir, tayo na po tayo sa next challenge. Gusto you load or you go? Meaning, pag you load, isusugal mo yung premyo mo para manalo ulit sa next na challenge. Kung sakasakali. Pag you go, iuwi mo na yung premyo mo. Alis ka na. So, you load or you go?
Sige,
You load. Sir.
okay po.
Sir, pili ka ulit. Count 1 to 10, barking at 8 people. Bibigyan ko sa'yo ng 60 seconds to do it. Timer starts now. Count 1 to 10, barking. Barking like a dog. To 8 people. Pero dapat you have to roam around in 60 seconds.
Ow.
Sir, congratulations.
Okay. Pero naman,
Sir, tayo sa next round. You load or you go?
say you go. Okay ito
Sir, the popular Pinoy toy invented in the 16th century in the Philippines. A. Trompo. B. Yo-yo. C. Chipa. I will give you 60 seconds to answer the question. Timer starts now. A. Trompo. B. Yo-yo. C. Chipa. Invented in the 16th century.
16th century, no? Anong company yan? Pero siguro 8 po.
Are you sure, sir?
May
Final answer?
pwede mo mag-tip.
Sure, ikaw, sir. Time.
Okay. Siguro, sepak, nakarama. Ay,
Sir,
Philippines. Doon po na lang.
Trompo.
Oh.
Are you sure, sir? Final answer.
Siguro, sige.
Final. 14. You only have 14 seconds
14
left, sir.
seconds. Okay, sipa na lang ulit.
Sipak?
Ikaw,
A. Trompo. B. Yo-yo. C. Sipak. Final answer mo.
B. Yoyo. Yoyo.
Are you sure?
Oo.
Yo-yo is correct.
Okay.
The 150 worth of load. Ayun, sir. Next challenge. You load or you go?
Sige, you load.
You load. Say a tongue twister 5 times. 0 mistakes. Palakang, kabkab, kumakalabukab, kalabukab pa lamang, kumakalabukab na naman. 5 times. In 60 seconds. Sir, bigyan mo lang ng 60 seconds. Dapat 0 mistakes.
Okay.
5 times. Timer starts now.
No.
Palakang kapkab, kumakalabukab, kalabukab pa lamang. Kumakalabukab na naman. Palakang kapkab, kumakalabukab, kalabukab pa lamang. Kumakalabukab na naman. Palakang kapkab, kumakalabukab, kalabukab pa lamang. Kumakalabukab na naman. Palakang kapkab, kumakalabukab, kalabukab pa lamang. Kumakalabukab na naman. Palakang kapkab, kumakalabukab, kakalabukab pa lamang. Kumakalabukab na naman.
30 seconds.
Palakang kapkab, kumakalabukab, kakalabukab pa lamang. Kumakalabukab na naman.
Congratulations, sir. Load. Okay, sir. You load or you go? Masusugal mo ba yung standard mo? Pag nag-you-load ka or you go na?
Siguro okay. Hindi. Sige, okay lang siguro.
Sige.
Okay lang, sige, go na.
Okay.
Para-
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.